In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Ultra Quickbuy button on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Trust me, you will not regret it. Axiom is a great platform, one of the best meme trading platforms over here, and it's packed with a lot of different premium features such as the Twitter tracker, which is just top-notch, a wallet tracker, a P&L tracker. They have an amazing reward system where you can basically just earn Solana back for trading. They have a turbo mode, which makes for faster fees and transactions. You can select your own presets and make them. You can change filters over here and so much more. So again, link down below, check it out. Now, to enable the Ultra Quick Buy button, you have to go to polls over here up top. And then inside polls, you can see the display option over here. Just click on display option, and then under quick buy, you can see you have a bunch of different options, and at the very right, it says Ultra. So you want to click on Ultra over here, and this will now enable the Ultra Quick Buy button. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.